I'm Sharon Bill. Welcome to my Music Theory Tuition series where I work with you step by step through the ABRSM Discovering Music Theory grades. I'll work through every single exercise and explain everything you need to know. You can access information about the books I have available to help you on my website. Go to sharonbill.com. For advert-free and longer lessons, you can become a patron at patreon.com/SharonBill. If you can give me a like, that would be super, and please do subscribe to my channel to stay updated. You can support this channel by buying me a coffee at buymeacoffee.com/SharonBill. We turn now to page 55 in the Grade 4 Discovering Music Theory workbook, and we continue looking at the string family. And here we have some terms that the string players may be asked for in their music. Because it's a string instrument, we could be expected to either play with the bow, which is kind of a resonant sound, or we could be asked to play pizzicato, which is like a finger picking style where they pluck the strings. So pizzicato is where you pluck the strings, and I think that's sort of like an onomatopoeia. It kind of sounds like it is. It's like a picking sort of thing. And arco is like a lovely long bow. Now, sometimes the composer may say that they want the bow down, sort of like that, and sometimes they may want the bow up to create certain accents. So the way that a down bow is going to be stronger than an up bow. I think that's right. Yes, I think that's right. It's stronger, more accented down. However, I guess it's all down to the technique of the violinist. However, this means down bow, this is up bow. So of course this is a slur, and so in order to achieve that, the violinist or the string player is going to have to play all of the notes in one bow stroke, because as you stop to change a bow stroke, you're going to lose that legato. And here we have sul G and sul D, where we're asked to play on the G string or the D string. And so, as I mentioned in the last lesson, we can see that the G string and the D string are the lowest strings. And so on the violin, you may be asked to choose those instead of playing the notes in a different position. Now, sometimes we might be required to play with a more muted tone. And so the violin can add a mute over the bridge that sort of softens the tone. And so we can get that either in Italian or French con sordini or avec sordine, which means with. Con or avec is with, and then senza or sans is without. So, putting the mute on or off again. Generally speaking, it's without until you are told otherwise, and then you will be told when to take the mute off the bridge. And so I suggest you just do a little bit of revision and then do test yourself. So do go on and try exercise 1. And so I'm hoping you've had a little go of this, and so let's check through these together. So then, which is the highest sounding instrument? And it is the violin. It's the smallest of the string instruments in size, and that creates the highest pitch. Which string instrument uses the alto clef? And that's the viola. So which is the Italian word for plucked? And that's the sort of onomatopoeic pizzicato. It's sort of a picking kind of sound to me. That just helps to make sense. Now, sul G, there's your clue. It's the G string, so you've got to sul play on the G string. Now, this is the one that can catch you, which is the down bow, which is the up bow, and it's just a matter of finding a way. And I just think that looks like it's pointing down, so that is the down bow. So just be aware of that and watch out which is the down bow and the up bow. Now we want the Italian word for with mutes. That's without, so that won't do. That is mutes. That's the French. This is the one we want with mutes in Italian. And so that's that page completed. I hope this is helpful to your studies. Please do like and subscribe to stay updated. If you'd like to support this channel, you can buy me a coffee, and for advert-free lessons you can become a patron. Do visit my website where you'll find many resources available to help you. Visit sharonbill.com. Thanks for watching. Bye.